Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JOBS4HIRE. This is HRM Class 4 for BBA and MBA students. Today topic is training and development. Training means process of improving skills, knowledge, abilities of employees for performing their current job effectively. Development means improving the overall personality, abilities, future growth of employees for higher roles. Let us see difference between training and development. Training means short-term process, development means long-term process. It focuses on current job, development focus on future job. Training improves skills, development helps grow career. It is for entry level or mid level employees. It is for managers or future leaders. Let's see need for training. It improves performance, it reduces mistakes, it updates employees with new technology, it increases efficiency and productivity. Next one, methods of training. There are two methods of training: on the job training, off the job training. On the job training means learning while work, for example, shadowing, coaching. Off the job training means training outside the job, for example, classroom training, workshop, seminars. For example, real time example on HR on training. This is on training example. If a company updates HR software from Excel to HRMS software, which means this is the new software, new system the employees has to learn in the training. So here company provides in the training how to enter data, how to handle attendance, how to generate reports. This is the training for the current job. After a year, same employees will learn new things like team handling, decision making, communication skills. This is for future roles. So this training means present job performance.